friends, a very warm welcome to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes. Today we are going to do median of ungrouped data in the chapter of statistics. Ungrouped data means you can say raw data. So how we will be doing the questions of median? I am going to tell you the working rule by stepwise. So supposingly you have been given a raw data in the question. So the very first step you will be doing is arranging the data in ascending order or descending order. It is up to you which order do you prefer. So any order, but it must be done. This is a very basic step for this starting of process of finding out the median, that arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. Then comes the step 2. This step 2 opens up into two cases, case 1 or case 2. If n is odd, n is the number of terms. If number of terms is odd, then you will go with case 1. And if n is even, if you find out the number of terms to be even, आपने count किया number of terms even है, तो you will go with case 2. So let's discuss this case 1 first of all. If n is odd, then the formula for median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. For example, n is equal to 13. आपने काउंट की नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स 13 है, ऑड है. देन मीडियन विल बी 13 प्लस 1 बाय 2th ऑब्जर्वेशन. 13 plus 1, 14, 14 divided by 2 is 7th observation. So now you will pick the 7th observation from the ascending order. आपने जिस order में लिख के रखा है उसमें से आपने 7th term पकड़ लेनी है, 7th observation पकड़ लेनी है, and that value will be written over here, which will become the median. And if you find out that n is even, number of terms is even, then you will go ahead with case 2. In this case, the formula for median is n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. इसी की consecutive observation, n by 2 plus उसी की consecutive plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. For example, you count the number of observations and it comes out to be 16, which is even. Then median is equal to 16 by 2th observation plus 16 by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. 16 by 2, that is 8th observation plus, अब 16 by 2 8 है, plus 1 करोगे क्या आएगा, 9th observation. This will always be the consecutive, adjacent observations होंगी ये. Now what you will be doing, you will picking up the 8th observation from the ascending order as well as the 9th observation, put down their values, add them up and divide by 2. So this will give you the median of the whole data, whether the case for n is equal to odd, whether the case for n is equal to even. You can apply the formula accordingly. Let's understand this topic better with an example. I have taken example 12 from the NCERT. The heights in centimeter of 9 students of a class are as follows. This is a raw data given to us. Ungrouped data has been given to us. Find the median of this data. So let's write down the solution. Arranging the data in the ascending order. The very first step is to arrange the data, not to be forgetting this step. So write down the data in an ascending order or descending order, whichever you like. I have arranged it in ascending order. Now I'm going to count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9 students. So n is equal to 9. Number of observations is equal to 9. 9 is odd, which is odd. You have to see whether the number of observations is odd or even. Accordingly, you will apply the formula. So median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. As we have just discussed, if n is odd, this will be the formula for median. Let me put down the value. N is 9. 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. 9 plus 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5th observation. Now I am going to pick up this 5th observation from the arranged data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th observation. This is 149. Therefore, median of this data is 149 and the height was there in centimeter. Therefore, you can write down the final answer as median height is equal to 149 centimeters. Let's take one more example. Example 13 of NCERT book. The points scored by a kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows. सारे scores दिए हुए हैं हमें. Find the median of the points scored by the team. So I have started the solution with arranging the data as usual. In ascending order, I have arranged this all data. Now, I am going to count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So n is equal to 16, which is even. So I'll have to use the formula accordingly. Median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. This is the formula for median if n is even. N 16, I'm just putting down the values of n wherever it appears. 16 by 2 means 8th observation plus 8, 16 by 2, 8 plus 1, 9th observation. These will be always adjacent terms, always consecutive observations, whole divided by 2. Now I am going to pick up 8th observation from the arranged data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8th observation, that is 10. This is the value of 8th observation plus as such 9th observation. Next is 14. 9th observation is 14 divided by 2. 10 plus 14 gives us 24 by 2, which is 12. Therefore, they had asked us the median of the points scored. Therefore, median score is equal to 12. That is the final answer of this question, which gives us a better idea about how to find out the median. So in today's video, we have solved how to start with the working rule of finding out the median, and we have done two questions also, one for n is odd and another for n is even.